my stallions. I hope you're having a good day. It's Monday the 25th of May and we are on our way out. We're going on a family vacation. It's me, my sister, my mom, and my niece. It's my mom, my dad, my sister, and my niece, and I. We're going to this Safari Lodge kind of place. It's called Monateng. It's like minutes, about half an hour outside Pretoria. I'm really excited about it. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day and are having a great start to the week or a great midweek. Whenever it is that you're watching this, I hope you're having a good day and that you have a smile on your face today. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Yeah. Sorry for the bad lighting. I'm under the shade. So we are at the Tlokweng border. I'm sitting in the car, and like I'm right at the exit point, and they're like soldiers and stuff with like rifles and stuff. Like I'm not obviously like I don't have anything to hide, or we don't have anything to hide, but like this soldier guy has like his rifle and stuff, and like, you know, they're going through people's cars and stuff, you know, just, I guess, just, you know, just security reasons, obviously, like, I'm not, that's fine. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so intimidating and so, I don't know, yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update. It's so hot as well, like, I am just melting, good grief, I'm melting, I'm suffocating, you swear I'm, like, having, like, early menopause or something. Like, it is hot, I cannot breathe. It's a good thing, like, and the funny thing is, I wasn't gonna wear this, usually when I travel, I don't like wearing white or, like, bright tops, because if, like, I'm eating on the way and, like, you know, I get something on myself, you know, it's not that easy to hide. Well, so I was gonna wear something darker, and I was gonna wear, like, a black, tank top and cardigan type of situation. So good thing I chose not to do that.
Sorry for you.
Guys, look at this. It says
she's going to the bar.
No cycles on the footpaths.
And
do I count?
I don't understand why they shouldn't be.
I'm having a little bit of a dilemma. Like,
is this a car or a cycle?
Like,
or
I don't know. Am I breaking the rules right now? I feel like such a rebel. Let's go. Like, I feel like such a rebel, and no one can say anything to me. Like, I feel like just such a boss.
They had the audacity. Audacity to put a sign like that. Shivers.
Look at the place, guys.
But it looks nice anyway.
It looks cute. My niece. Say hello. It's so nice. It's just, it's a typical like safari kind of place. This is a pool.
This is my driver.
Ooh, beautiful African blue sky.
Behave.
He put me too close to the pool. No. You see, this is why I said these people don't care about me. They just pretend. What are you doing? It says danger. It says danger. When it says danger, danger means don't touch. But you, me I can't. Me I can't. Oh my gosh, Imagine seeing this at night. I saw these yesterday and I was like, oh, jeez, are these real? Because I have an issue with monkeys and the monkey family. Personal issues. Do you guys even know how to play chess? Let's start there. Do you even know how to play chess?
There's another one.
What, isn't this like just an open place? Like you did something wrong.
I thought you were saying we shouldn't have been there.
Huh?
I thought you said we should not be there.
Me?
What
When
did you say?
that? I was talking about those things. I was saying I have issues with the monkey family.
And what is this? Cricket?
Where? I think so. It looks like
Yes, it is. It is.
it.
Good morning, good people.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine and you?
You want to play something?
She wants to play.
You want to play? Go. But you don't play for Maha here. You
I'm
should play.
holding jackets here. Holding them.
Never play like a pelham.
Hmm?
Never play like a pelham. This is abuse. This is
Oh, you dropped the
abuse.
phone again.
Don't ask me what I dropped. Oh, don't ask me.
Which game you want to play? Good morning, how are you? Fine. What time is it right now? Oh, it's after 2. Good afternoon.
Yes,
How are you today?
fine, no problem.
Good.
Did you sleep well?
Very well. Except that I just received you guys.
Because they want me to hold.
Number 3939. Number 39.
That's the wrong numbers you're calling me.
Number 71. 71. 71.
Ik kan de keer goud
Number 24. 24. 24. Number 24. Number 61. 61. Number 61. Number 62. 62. 62. Come, people.
Shout the right numbers.
Number 50. 50. Number 50. 50. Number 50. Number 33. 33. Number 33. Double 3. 33.
Bingo.
Bingo.
You cook the cards. Oh, shut this away.
Bingo food.
Did you get the correct numbers there? Okay, call upon all those numbers. I want to see as more than me.
Yeah. Number 33.
Correct.
Number 35.
Correct.
Free number. Number 37.
Free number.
No man, it's free. 37.
Okay.
Number 43.
Number 43. It's 33, 35, 37, number 3, and 43.
Yes.
That's correct. Let's give him a name. Put that good name.
Yeah, now we're gonna start.
Check out this beautiful view. It's such a beautiful view. Let me zoom in. It is such a beautiful view. I don't know if you can see it, but
Botswana is from here,
yeah, there we
but
go.
it's somewhere.
It is so beautiful. The camera's not doing it justice. Can you go closer for me?
Huh?
Can you go closer for me? Here you go.
Iono.
Don't cover here.
Iono.
Yes, it's on.
Hey, it is oh no. Forgive me, vloggies. It will be okay. You know us Africans. Okay. So like, this is actually really nice, yeah? It's actually kind of beautiful. It's actually really gorgeous. I don't know if you can see, there's a slide down there somewhere. We seem to go to the wrong place, to the right places at the wrong times, because it's winterish. But it's really nice here. It's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how she's sitting there and pretending like I don't think you can even see her. That little skinny hand is who she's supposed to be. Skinny hand, huh? That little skinny hand. Yep. Those skinny hands. Those are the people that we are going to. Okay.
Thank you. Good job. Good job.
I know.
Good job. Even though they can't really see you because you're just like a dog with a vlog. But let's go.
Not bad.
Let's go.
How was it to get this?
No.
Okay, well now I understood. Sorry.
Okay. We heard you. Now we're just gonna go around. We don't know where our parents went.
They left us.
They just left us.
That's what it's called. They abandoned.
They just left us. Oh, and by the way, an update on the bingo. Yeah, the young one. But it wasn't bad. I enjoyed it. I really didn't mind it.
Tell them how I can't even go up this stair. Oh my
It's not even. It's a ramp. It's a ramp.
Oh my goodness. Oh my word.
We're going under like a dog tunnel, so you might not be able to see us.
Oh my word. Help me. Fix it, Jesus.
Why do you have to be so extra though?
I'm not. Oh, whoops. That was just a bark. It's not like you were gonna die.
It's beautiful lighting. Yes, slay. Jesus said, "Don't be jealous." Anyway, yeah, they went to the bathroom. Anyway, like I was saying, so bingo. We were playing. It was really good. It was nice. We weren't winning. We were kind of on a losing streak, but at some point, like, I was so close. Actually, we both were, my sister and I. But my niece, you know how kids are, you know, they can. She's a sore loser, so she got kind of bored. But it was a fun experience. At least I can say, you know, I played a little bit of bingo. It was just harmless fun, though. But yeah, it was really nice. They're still playing. I personally would have loved to still sit around, but my niece wanted to leave. So, as a good aunt and my sister as a good mother, we put her feelings before ours. Now I'm just waiting for them. Please go back, like, turn.
That's what I was going to do.
Oh, okay. You
So
try to.
extra. What's that side?
Hi!
What's that side?
What's which side?
That side.
Which side? I can't see.
That's a gold
I don't
side
know.
and a copper.
What's this?
This is a fenced space. I don't know what it is. Yeah, your parents are taking a bit longer than.
Did they go to a rendezvous?
Maybe they went on a rendezvous. Who knows? Anyway, we're gonna try and look for something to do. We're gonna try and look for our parents or wait for them, or we don't know. But we're just kind of like
I'm looking at
getting
the
a little
time,
out of
what
it.
The time. Where do we go? Wait for them. Like,
Yeah. Because after this, we are going
I want to
to.
play this.
We're going on a. What's that? We're going on a game drive at like 3:30.
Where are they? I have no idea. Can I have my phone? Let me call them.
Oh, yeah.
Can I go to the playground?
Yes, go.
We're going on a game drive. I'm super excited about that. Because nature. Yay. And animals and things. And drives. And okay. I'm going to stop talking. Yeah. I'll see you guys later at the game drive.
Oh, yes. It looks nice. This is nature. This is nature. You never know. Wow. It says God created heaven and earth with all the animals. These are the animals that He created.
This is my area. And these guys have pre-orbital glands. It's just before their eyes, it's these two spots. And that's where they get the pheromones from, where they scrub it on trees and so on to spread their scent. Now they have, you quite often you see them when they're walking, they're going with their head up and down. They're just going up and down. Now that's because of a fly, they call it the bot fly. The bot fly goes up the nose and it lays eggs. It actually has the larvae of that fly is in the nostrils, in the nasal cavities. They're moving up and down because these worms are going up and down the nose, up and down the nose. Now they need these flies. It's a symbiotic relationship. One cannot survive without the other. The fly needs their cavities for them to breed, and these guys need them for smell. That butterfly opens the nasal cavities and makes them capable of smelling better and being, because these guys are excellent at, they can smell very, very good. We'll probably later see them, usually they're moving with zebras. Now that's also a relationship with each other. They can smell very good, and the zebra can see very good. Now that's why they complement each other so well.
My life has been made. Oh my word.
Wow.
It's so pretty. Now we can go. Good morning, my stallions. How are you this morning? It is Thursday morning. We are about to head out. We are going to do a little bit of spending. And we're going for shopping. I just finished doing my makeup. I was gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. Well, not tutorial, an eyebrow routine, but it didn't quite work out, so I'll do that some other time. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and say hello, and I hope you're having a good day. Yeah, I gotta go now, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so here's the tour of the resort. This is the master bedroom. It's like a nice, I think it's a double-sized bed, and the curtains over there, the lamps, 2 lamps on each side, and up above. Nice little ceiling. Aircon, mirror, and little vanity space over here. And that's the closet space. And then we have a little bit of artwork on the wall. And then this is the bathroom, the master bathroom. Toilet, obviously, bathtub, master bathroom. And then you head out into the passage, and here on the right we have a shower. It's a nice little, just a regular shower, nothing fancy about it. Oops. Just a regular shower. And a mirror and the sink and the little cupboard, window. It's much smaller than the others, or rather the other one. And then in here, sorry for the shakiness, by the way. It's kind of difficult pushing a wheelchair and holding a camera at the same time. Anyway, so we have another bathroom that just has a bathtub, mirror over there. Oh, window, mirror, and a sink in a little cupboard area. And yeah, that is that. And then we've got the bedroom. Let me turn on the lights. We have the bedroom. That is the room that I was sleeping in. I slept in that bed the whole week, and I shared it with my niece. Yeah, just 2 3/4 sized beds, and a little mirror, vanity little space, and the cupboard, of course, the closet space. It's a pretty spacious room. And we have, so going down the passage. Oh, the struggles. And then we have another bedroom. Oh, the lights don't really go on very well, but it's basically just like the other bedroom, just that it's much smaller. It also has 2 beds, and that's where my sister slept. Alright, so from here we have the single bathroom, single toilet there, nothing special. And then we have the kitchen where Mom is making some lovely food for the night. Say hello, Mother. So it's the kitchen. We have a microwave, a fridge over here, the stove, yeah, and then we have the dining area. As you can see, we are dining, of course. And then we have the living room space We're currently watching Scandal. Of course, Scandal. Not Scandal as in Olivia Pope Scandal, but South African soapy Scandal. So yeah, that's the living room space. A nice couch. It's a sleeper couch. And another 2-seater over there. I don't know what those two are doing. Gotta squeeze in. Yeah, and then we have a patio space, which you can't really see very clearly. I'll try to show you guys in the morning. We're currently braaiing some meat and having a little braai / barbecue, as my Canadian brothers and sisters would call it. So yeah, that is the tour. Yeah. So now we're gonna go back to getting our stomachs ready for food, and yeah. I am so tired. Aren't you tired, Mother?
I'm naked.
Mom,
I'm well done.
Mom says she's well done.
Well done. Kaput. Yeah. I'm well done. I'm paprika and garlic.
Oh my gosh, I can't. I cannot. I am unable to can. Good morning, my stallions. It is 10:44 a.m. on Friday, and we are just checking out. I'm in a cranky mood, but it's okay. It'll be okay. It's just one of those days. Yeah. So we are. Yeah, like I said, we're checking out. We are on our way to... Yesterday, my sister left for Johannesburg. She took the Gautrain train for the first time. I'll actually ask her how it was when she gets here. We're going to pick her up before we leave. And then we'll be on our way. Not pick her up in Joburg, but pick her up at the Gautrain train station. So yeah. I just decided to say hello to you guys. I'm in the car with my niece, with... What are you doing?
Sorry. Hi.
She's having peanut M&Ms. Honestly, guys, I swear by peanut M&Ms. I love peanut... I was introduced to them by my former college roommate, and I'm just in love. Plus, they just have a lot of like sentimental value and stuff. So
Mama, the one who gave it to you.
no, like as in like I didn't know that there were peanut M&Ms until like when, yeah.
Also, I found them. I thought they were just chocolate. Because I just ate it, then I didn't see the nut at first. Then I ate another one, then I saw the nut. I didn't know I ate the nut.
Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm just listening to some music to try and get myself into a better mood. I'm listening to right now. I'm listening to Kotso's album New Dawn, whatever. Yeah. I'm just trying to get myself into a better mood because it's not good to, creeper. It's not good to travel in a bad mood, and I don't like being in a bad mood. So I'm trying all my best to get back into my happy place right now. I'm personally not a huge fan of I believe that when you're with people, you shouldn't have headphones on and stuff. You should be in the moment with them. But when you're upset, sometimes you just gotta do what makes you happy at that point, and just concentrate on you for a little bit. So yeah, hope you guys are having a much better day, and I hope that in the next clip I'll be a bit more. I'll be in a bit of a better mood. Okay. She's sending you guys kisses. Send them back. Leave a comment below and send her back kisses. See you guys later.
Some hot air.
Hello again, guys. So we are almost at our destination, which is home.
Trucks all over the
Waiting
place.
for
Groot maar.
how many? What? When? Huh?
Genoeg groot maar.
We're in. Oh my gosh, this is the most difficult thing I'm about to say. But we're on our
I
way
look like a
to
star.
Zeerust. And we just made a quick little stop, little bathroom stop. We're going through Lobate this time instead of the Dlokweni border, just because it's much
I don't like
closer.
to drive a long distance and go to South Africa.
Huh?
From Zeerust to the border, to the Dlokweni border, it's 120 kilometers. And then from Zeerust to Lobate, it's about 45 kilometers. So I'm driving 70 kilometers. I'm driving 70 kilometers in Botswana rather than driving 120 kilometers in South Africa to get home. So I'd rather get out of this country very quick so that I can drive in my country and I can drive as fast as I want and I can drive as reckless as I want, because if they arrest me, they will take me to Habrul.
Yeah, so that's what's going on right about now. I'm so tired. I was sleeping most of the way. So tired. So these trucks are so rude. Like, I'm vlogging and they're just like driving by so loudly. Like, why you gotta be so extra? But anyway, like I was saying, I'm so tired. I woke up so early. I went to
You
bed.
had to wake me up.
Yes, duh. I woke up early. I went to bed late, which was a terrible move. But I'm in a better mood though. What are you gonna buy first of all?
Sweets.
Why are you buying sweets? What are you gonna buy for me?
I want sweets. I'm not gonna buy for you. Why would I buy for you?
Because I'm your sister.
You
And
already
love
have
me.
some. I'm not taking sides.
You are taking sides.
She's not taking sides.
She is. She is.
Okay.
My feet are so swollen. My shoes are about to explode.
Let me say hi.
You can say it.
Why are you today? 16 balls, 16 cars, that's what about 16 balls. Start to do I just want to pass up, gonna pass up.
Heyo. We're at the border now. I actually didn't know that this border was like it looks really different now. It looks really nice. I don't know. Like it looks really nice. Actually. It's watch as I butcher the name. Skilpad Shek. If you're from SA, please correct me, because I've always had difficulty pronouncing that word. Oh Lord, the sun. Yeah. So we're finally back. Well, technically we're not really back just yet. We still have a little bit of a way to go because we're going through Lobate, like I said, and that is like 70 kilometers from Gaborone. So we still have quite a bit of a way to go. I'm now just I finally have data on my phone, so now I am checking to see who cared enough to ask where I was, because I didn't really tell anyone that I was leaving town for the week. Let us see now, shall we? Anyway, ooh, I have a lot of Facebook notifications. Yeah. So I just wanted to check in with you guys. The next time I check in with you guys will probably be once I'm at home. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Later. Hello guys. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're finally back home. I decided to just unpack immediately and not leave it till tomorrow. But yeah, I'm super tired. I'm so tired. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to click the like button if you did. Share the video, share my vlogs with people, your friends, your family, whoever might be interested. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the vlogs and stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get more vlogs, to be notified when I upload new vlogs and stuff like that. And also, don't forget to check out my main channel, which is linked in the description box below, and check out my Facebook page. That is where I just post stuff. I come across something interesting and I share it on my Facebook page. So go over to the Facebook page as well if you have time. But yeah, I'm hoping that you will have an amazing day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.